Hi, I'm Jane Pierce of Z Jane,
And I'm Hannah Matthews of Cleveland Sewing Company.
and we're going to make a video to show you how to make our masks that we're making for hospitals, and you can begin to help us.
Here we go.
Okay.
All right, we have 9 by 9 inch squares. There's 2 layers of 100% cotton. You're going to make 3 pleats. You're going to start about 2 inches from the top, and you're going to pin it directly to your ironing board. Pleat 1, pleat 2. When you finish here, this should be a height of approximately 5 inches. It does not need to be perfect, but 5 inches is a pretty good measurement. The more you do it, the easier and more consistent it will be. Then you press here and take your pins off. Here we go. 5 inches. Boom. Okay, let's take our piece to the serger. If you do not have a serger, we will show you what you can do instead. If you do, this is very handy. It helps a lot. You're gonna just kind of hold these pleats in place with your serger. And you're gonna go around all 4 edges. And it's going to look like this. To our straight stitch machine. So if you don't have a serger, you can zigzag the edge to finish it and fold it over one time. If you don't have a zigzag and you just have a straight stitch, you're going to have to double fold that hem. This is your top pleat. You want the pleats to go down. Your top hem is approximately 3/8 of an inch wide. There will be a bridge piece that goes in here that's 3.5 inches long. It's going to pinch around the nose and provide some more comfort and closure for your lovely healthcare worker. You're going to fold over, hem the side here, and you're going to put your little piece of elastic in this hem. This is 1/8 inch elastic. You can also use 1/4 inch elastic. Hair bands. And you're going to want to make that nice and secure. When you come down this side, you want to fold up your bottom edge first. Come down, and you're going to take this elastic and stick it in that side hem there too. You're going to back tack and make it nice and secure, and get to about the center of your elastic. When you come across the top here, you're securing it to that corner, and it'll hold it back down real nice for you. So you're going to go around and do that on the other side. You're going to come up with this beautiful mask. It's very comfortable. It fits many people. That bridge piece will sit nicely and be nice and comfortable. It's tight around my cheeks. It's tight connecting with my chin, and you're going to help a lot of healthcare workers with these masks. Thank you for helping. Thank you for your love. Keep sharing your love, and good luck.
Thank you.
We love you.
Bye-bye.